the part where it says Introduction to Electricity, and we're going to click on the very, very last document. So when you click on the last document, you're going to end up here. Please read through the introduction. That way you have a little bit better understanding of what we're doing. And so what's going to happen, you are going to read through the information. You are going to take this link. You're going to copy and paste the link to a brand new screen. Or you could just simply click there and it should open up a brand new screen for you. Okay. So once we get to the new screen, notice it does take a little while to load. So once we get there, what you're going to do is you could either download it or you could just play and construct your circuits directly on the website. So I'm going to click there and notice it is loading the interactive software. And this interactive software gives me the opportunity to do at an introductory level or more advanced level at the lab. So we're going to do introductory level, and let me scoot my screen over just a tiny bit so you can see what's going on with the software. So the software is really easy to use. It's just as simple as drop, click, drag, and drop. And what you're going to do is you're just going to connect wires to your battery, just like we did in class with the breadboard, except that the breadboard is already here. And there's our light bulb, and we're going to continue connecting wires until we have one completed circuit. Okay. And always drop it, drag it all the way over, and then we're going to connect here and connect there, and we have our circuit and we have our light. Okay, so once we have done that, notice there's other requirements over here, such as, hey, let's measure the voltage. And again, you could easily connect these, and if it doesn't work, then you might want to try switching it up a little bit until you get some kind of reading. And notice we would have to go all the way over here to get the reading. So again, it doesn't hurt to try and test it throughout, and then until you get the reading. And according to this is 9 volts. The way you could verify that that is correct, notice here, there's your battery. You click on the battery itself, and then down here you're able to adjust the voltage level to the point where you could make it very luminous, or you can make it very dim. And please pay attention to your electrons. As you increase the voltage level, take a look at what happens to the electrons as they're flowing through your circuit. The same thing is true. Notice you could create your light bulb, the measurement here where this is considered a resistance. And again, notice you're able to change the ohms at this part. And again, make sure that you pay close attention to what happens. Make sure that you make note of the observations. So once you have done something like this, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go to your startup menu. And again, notice my startup menu is down here. So my startup menu, and I am going to go click on the snipping tool. And I'm going to just simply show evidence that I completed the task by taking a screenshot of it. And so now that I did that, my screen froze, and now my mouse is kind of stuck. All right, here we go. I think I need a new computer. Hint, hint, hint. All right, so anyway, so there's my screenshot. I'm going to take a screenshot of it, and again, it freezes the frame. All you need to do is a screenshot of the actual build that you did, and then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to select the pen, and you're going to select the thickness of your pen, and we want black ink. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pretty much sign your drawing, whatever your fancy signature is. And then that way I know that that is your exclusive drawing for your assignment. So good luck. And again, it's quite a fun program that you're going to use to create your own circuits. And again, you could make them as fancy as you would like. Please know that in class we will be assigned certain tasks, so please be prepared. Thanks.